Do you need a quick reference for how many sub-documents you have in a folder? Hi, I'm Juliet, and not everyone uses Scrivener 3 for Windows for writing a book or an article or a short story. If you use it for organisational purposes, this might be more useful for you. Let's say you're setting out a plan for the month or the year, and you need to know you've created enough documents for every day. It's very easy to number things incorrectly by missing a number out, for example. Or you might need a document for everyone in your team or any other number of numbered things. I, for example, need to know how many videos I need to create for the next month and to make sure I do have enough. You can get Scrivener to show you how many subdocuments there are in a folder by choosing View, Outline, Show Subdocument Counts in Binder. Then you'll have a permanent quick reference. However, this is cumulative. So if, for example, you have a main folder for the year, subfolders for months, and subfolders within the months, it may not work well for you. If you want to know how to make certain sections of your binder look more prominent, this video will show you how to do that.